about the conditional formatting to enhance the visualizations of the marks, in this case being represented here through some graphical visualization. Let us begin by selecting the rows that or the columns that we are concerned with. Select condition formatting. Use data bars and just select any ones that we like. Click on it, and this shows almost immediately some level of graphical representation, and it is fast to notice that the lowest will be Claire and the highest will be David Teo without even looking at the score. Now let me copy another column. In this case, I may want to change the interface, the visualization aspects into a different type of representation. Let's select the column concerned, perform a condition formatting again, select manage rules. Add in a new rule, maybe select data bar. Instead solid field, select a gradient field. And let's try out and see. What do we get? You'll notice in this case, there is no border anymore because this is a slightly different type of representation. Okay, we have achieved two, or even more later, you can generate on your own types of representation of the marks, in this case of the students. Now, to bring it a bit further, we may want to maybe differentiate these two marks. Maybe the first marks will be continuous assessment, test marks, and the second may be examination marks. Sorry for the changing in values because I'm using random function to generate the marks. Okay, how to make this table that we have more presentable? You'll notice in Excel there is this format as table command. You can select any format that you want and select the data concerned, and if you click on my table has headers, it will indicate that the first row is a header. Click OK. You'll see that this is one type representation which is better than the initial one, which is more plain. Let's try a second one. Type of representation again. Okay, maybe we may want to select more of a impactful type of slightly more impactful type of interface. Maybe I like this one. I'll choose this. You'll see that it's similar, just that the top part will be highlighted in a bolder color, in blue in this case. Okay, all these functions can actually help to make your table looks more presentable and improve the clarity of the reports itself. Now let's move on to maybe using graphical charts. How to do it? Select the area that you're concerned with. Click Insert. Click maybe on the, in this case it's best represented using graphs. So let's do it. Okay, you select the bar chart and maybe you call this examination results. Maybe results for science results for class 1A. The year may be 2015. Immediately you'll be able to see that, even better, that Claire Wong actually got the highest for the examination marks and slightly lower for the continuous assessment test marks. Sorry, let me make some changes here because I'm very particular about the presentation aspects. Okay, this is one form. Bar charts are very good in giving the user a first impact of who has the highest grading and who has the lowest grading at the first glance. And normally, you can either use bar charts. If not, if you prefer, you can also use line charts. Line chart, alright, it's here. Select line charts. Let me redo again. Sorry. Select the table that we are concerned with. Do an insert line charts. Similarly, you can do the same. But in this manner, it may not be that good if you realize, because normally line charts is used to show trend. And for now, we're actually comparing not really a trend, it's individual person. So this may not be a good idea to use line charts. So the selections of the type of charts is also equally important. Therefore, in a decision, you will have to decide on which chart to use and what type of presentation that will look good for your usage in any reporting that you may want to show or presented to any audience. Thank you.